for me to be somewhere for too long. I'm always moving around, but as long as I'm on the same page as you're on.
Wow, eating like a local.
Anywhere I'm going, you're the one I'm holding.
Tapos na yung kape. Oh my gosh, masarap!
As long as you're beside me, tired.
Happy tayo sa seatmate natin, guys.
I just need you there. I need you there. I need you there.
Hi, guys! Where are we going?
Sabiat.
Sabiet? Yung tinutuloy. So, we're back at the airport, guys, for another trip. We're going to Hanoi! Yes! Hanoi! I'm getting my cup of coffee. And nakatulog ako sa biyahe, guys. Hindi muna kami nag-IO. Kasi first time daw ni Marvin pumunta dito sa other side of Naiya. Kupi. Let's try this Kupi that we saw here habang naglalakad. Less sweet Spanish latte. I like latte, but hindi talaga ako fan ng Americano or ng sarap. I have our quick dinner here in Naiya. So, ito yung sa akin. Itong patsu. Marvin, syempre, ramen pa din. Si ate ko. Ayan. So, kailangan na namin magmadali kasi medyo 8:06 na. Our flight is at 10:45 p.m. Kumain na kami dito kasi for sure, pagdating namin doon, matutulog na kami. Yeah. So, we just passed through the I.O. And, okay naman. So far, so good. Daming tinanong kay Marvin. Kasi tingkad masyado ng damit niya. Pulang-pula. At ako'y nakakulay green. O, diba? Merry Christmas to all of you. So, yun lang, guys. So, ano oras na ba? 8:48. 10:45 pa yung biyahe natin. Okay. Alam nyo ba, guys? Kami ay na special announcement. Yay! It is not because we're late, but because nag-CR pa ako ng boarding na. Chill pa ako. Akala ko ang tagal kasi group 4 pa kami. We would also like to share na kakabook lang namin kanina ng aming Airbnb. Come join us dito sa tour namin sa Vietnam without itinerary. Touchdown Hanoi. So currently, kinukuha namin yung luggages namin. So just like our previous Japan trip, tag-isa lang kami ng check-in baggage, and then we have one extra small baggage. So 3:00 na sa Pilipinas, dito 2:11 pa lang. So after this, we'll probably withdraw money sa ATM. Tatansyahin pa namin kung magkano dapat yung gagastusin namin the whole trip. Pero for now, starting tayo ng 10k pesos. At ang 10k natin dito ay milyonaryo na tayo kasi nagkakahalagang 4.4 million. After namin mag-withdraw, mag-grab na kami papuntang Airbnb na kanina lang din namin binook, guys. 'Di ba? Ano lang talaga, impromptu. Pero I mean, ang saya. Kasi syempre, you're figuring it out. Although, of course, it is important that you have internet. Para nasa search mo kung saan yung pinaka magandang kainan, puntahan, ganyan. Pero other than that, it's okay. Madaming available and mura lang yung Airbnb na nakuha namin. I think it's just 1.8 per night. Parang buong unit na siya. Kompleto siya sa mga gamit. May kitchen na. Yan. Maluwag. Mamaya mag-room tour tayo. Or tomorrow na lang para morning. May araw. So, yun lang. I think we should go. Okay. Bye! Say bye!
Bye.
Okay guys, so naman nag-aalok ng taxi. Pero we prefer Grab para sure. Guys, ang lamig! I don't know kung anong temp to, pero malamig siya. Okay, dito tayo sa Pillar 11. We will book here our Grab. Naka na? Nakakash ka? Ready na natin yan. Okay guys, we're here. This is our neighborhood. Hindi ba tao yun? Tignan mo.
Ayoko.
Hi guys, so we're finally here at our Airbnb. So medyo iskinita ang pinagdaanan natin. But the good thing is, madali lang namang ma-figure out yung kuha ng gate key, pagpasok dito, yan. Very clear naman ang instructions. So, ito yung itsura na room natin. Ayan. We have TV there. Ito yung malaki nilang balcony. This is the bed. I think it's a queen-size bed. And then, this is the kitchen. This is the mirror. Ayan ang mirror natin. Ito yung CR. So, talagang hinanap kasi namin yung Airbnb na may washing machine. Hindi siya yung super duper, wow! Pero, maluwag, very spacious, and mura na to. Lumabas kami kasi we need to buy some essentials like water. Actually, water lang and some snacks probably. Pero ang lamig guys, super lamig. Tapos naka-ano pa ako. Naka-shorts lang. Tapos anong oras na? Ang dami pang taong gising. We're entering there. Uy, nuggets! Maybe we can try. I wanna try this. Guys, we just got back here sa aming Airbnb. And so, let's try this. So, kanina, ang total bill natin is 122,400 siya. That's around 305 pesos. Taste test natin. Malalaman natin ang lasa. Parang wala kasi naman ganito sa Pilipinas. Okay ba siya? Ah, okay. Maliit lang siya. Baby. Mama, pagkagat mo chocolate siya, matigas. Pero yung nasa loob niya, powder na Milo. Okay, tomorrow is another day. Tutunta na mahabang ngayon, babawi tayo ng sleep. And then tomorrow is our free time. We'll go to coffee shops, we'll eat banh mi, and explore the city. This is our balcony. So this is our Airbnb. Ayan. And paglabas mo, you'll see on the left, structures. Tapos ito yung katabi niyang building. Here I am. I'm still wearing my face mask because it's cold. And I have clothes. Okay, going first. Going to Cafe Giang. So this is our neighborhood. Palengke pala siya. Grabe, daming motor. At ito na po ang ating official adventure, day 1 in Hanoi. Taray nito, tuklo. Buy one, take one. Charot. Uy, ang ganda. Parang ang ganda ng bird. Mga ilaw.
It's hard for me to be somewhere for too long.
We arrived at our first destination. This is Cafe Giang. This is the egg coffee, and this one is the coconut. Coconut to lang yung in-order mo. Nice! Haluin natin. Masarap naman siya, guys. We'll try and order banh mi dito lang sa tapat ng malapit sa Cafe Giang. So, yung Cafe Giang somewhere there. It's Nandito tayo.
I need you now.
Yes, please.
Need you. Could be floating a boat in a bay. We could be at home in haze. We could be driving a silver Mercedes. Or on a bike in the rain.
Our first van. After namin makancel a couple of times sa Grab, finally nakasakay na tayo papunta sa Hanoi Sky Tower observation deck. So it's 7 kilometers from here. Yan, sarap ng van ni guys. We found it! Hanoi Sky observation deck. Ang ganda! So they have this 360 panoramic view, gallery and bar, VR.
Last drink. Ito ano ba?
Spotlight this.
Oh,
Ay, ang cute. Yan na lang.
Okay.
So we bought 2 tickets. 1 entrance. Tapos ito 1 ticket with photo. Thank you. Pwede mag-picture laboy. Wait lang, oh my gosh, hindi ko kaya. Oh my gosh! I cannot. Hindi nga alam kung doon ka. Oh my gosh! Ano, umiga ka na dyan? Grab ulit, guys. We're on our way sa dinner natin. Ano pangalan ng kakainin natin, baby? Met Viet. Dito tayo kakainin. Wow, Vietnamese restaurant and vegetarian food. Traditional for chicken. And then, ano tawag dito? 3-way? Kasi sabi sila ganun. 2-way chicken. Ano? Spring roll. Baby, tikman mo ito. Sarap. Sarado na ang mga tindahan. Better luck next time. Good morning! Hindi na pala morning. It's already 12 in the afternoon. We're on our way to get some lunch. Dapat magte-train street kami ngayon, pero we found out na the next train will be at 3:20 p.m. Kaya naman, magla-lunch muna tayo, then babalik na tayo. Mamadali tayo. Kasi grab natin. Via Hanoi din. So guys, may kasama lang yung in-order namin, pero hindi kami maglalasing. So yun yung kaninan ni Obama. So guys, this is our food. Wow, eating like a local. Pork siya, grilled pork. Haluin maigi. Okay. I'm listening to my husband. Mapit tayo sa seatmate natin, guys. Ay, ito yung gusto kong i-try, yung pork. Shop naman, love. Hey, guys. So, we're just waiting for the train. We ordered coconut coffee. Ano sa'yo, love? Yogurt? Ano yogurt? Blueberry yogurt. Gusto ko sana ng croissant, pero wala. Meron lang sila pizza, mga savory. guys, ito yung in-order ko. Coconut coffee, tas this is Marvin's. It's blueberry yogurt. Tapos may nabili kami parang butchi. Yeah.
70.
Tapos nakaupo kami dito. Ayan yung riles ng tren. Ayan, yung mga tao. We're waiting for the train. So, let me just take a picture of our drinks. Taste test. Alam ikaw, pakita mo. Sarap ba? Tapos may kape. Oh my gosh, ang sarap! Tapos, try na natin yung butchi ni ate. Ganito yung chicken. Parang donut. Tigas.
Ito?
Nasa loob.
Hangin.
Long as you're beside me, tied into a light.
Ayun, there.
Be anywhere, I just need you there.
Paikot, malaki siya. 50,000 Vietnamese dong isa. Pila ka na baby para ano? Makakuha tayo ticket. This is our tickets. Papasok.
On a boat in a sail, be at home in a haze.
Thank you.
We could be driving.
So, dito nag-iinsenso. Uy, grabe yung amoy, ang lakas.
When I'm holding, I could be anywhere. Suburbs to the city, I just want you with me. I could be anywhere, I just need you there. I need you there. I need you there. I need you there.
Gonna ride the double-decker bus, Asia. That's the double-decker. Okay, let's go in the front. Bababa na na. Guys, ang lamig. Today we had our lunch at Buncha. So, yun yung kinainan ni Barack Obama. And then we went to the train street, grabbed some coconut coffee, fries, and yung kay Marvin blueberry yogurt. And then we stayed there for almost 1.5 hours. Yun pa lang yung dating ng train. Sobrang enjoy siya kasi ang laki ng train. And then after that, bumalik muna kami dito ulit sa Airbnb. Tapos we walk our way to St. Joseph Cathedral. Tinignan lang namin. Pero ang ganda no? Iba yung tsura niya sa picture, iba siya sa personal. And then after that, we walk our way to the lake. After the temple, we saw the double-decker bus. Medyo mahaba yung si Tito. Parang tumagal siya ng 1 hour kasi medyo traffic din sa Hanoi. Ang daming stoplight. Given na ang daming motor, ganyan. Tumagal siya ng 1 oras. Tapos parang 30 minutes pa lang, 40 minutes, gusto ko nang bumaba kasi giniginaw na ako. Tapos yung kalahati pa ng tour, yung earphones namin, hindi pa English. So may option pala kasi sa pinakaharap kami nakaupo, wala yung sinaksakan ng earphones namin nasa likod. So hindi namin nakita na may English option pala. And then, bumaba kami sa Opera House. Yun na, nag-book na kami ng Grab. And yun ang pinakamurang Grab namin the whole trip since day 0. It's only 11,000 VND. Kinonvert mo siya in peso. It's only 26 pesos. Kaya siya sobrang mura kasi merong ginamit na promo code si Marvin. Supposedly, that's how much na? 36,000 siya dapat. Ngayon, idlip muna kami kasi we will work later. So, ngayon pa lang kami lalabas. It's already 3:45 in the afternoon. So, pupunta kami ng Prison Relic. And we will explore. Actually, hindi na pupuntahan natin ngayon kasi ang late na eh. Tapos, we're planning to buy bubble jacket. Going to Prison Relic is 12-minute walk from here. So, we decided na maglakad na lang kami. Ito na siya. Walo. Prison. Ang public transportation talaga dito daw is bus. Unfortunately, siguro konti ang supply. At sabi kahapon sa double-decker bus tour namin, there are 5 million motorcycles here. That's what I'm talking about. Dito yung billion ng ticket. This is it. Ticket office. Please line up here. And I know they will provide you with headphones or earphones. 50,000 per person. 122. 122 per head. For two. Thank you.
We have the audio guide here.
Okay.
And this costs 100,000 for one person. You can wear the strap here around your neck, please.
Okay.
Here, like, you want to stop, press red button here to stop like this. And then you can choose any number you want to listen again. The plus and the minus here says up and down the volume. And this arrow signs are rewind and go forward. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. So now you can press the number 1 and press green button to check the headphone.
Then play. So guys, we're done. So this is the exit ng Walo Prison Historical Relic. Every country talaga has its own stories ng independence, the process ng paglaya, ganyan. So ito kasing Walo Prison. Ito yung kulungan ng mga Vietnamese nung panahong sinakop sila ng mga French. Key takeaway. May natutunan ako. Ikaw, may natutunan ka ba? Wala. Ang lobster queen. Bani na lobster. Wow, yummers.
This one.
Must try.
How about this one? What can you recommend?
Okay, so kakain tayo guys. First meal of the day. We will travel later. Puntang Sapa, Vietnam. This one is pumpkin. Hi guys, so we're done eating here. Ang total bill natin is 585,000 Vietnamese dong, and it's expensive. Kung kakain ka lang ng banh and spaghetti, expensive siya. So we bought our puffer jacket, North Face.
Magagamit kasi sa Japan.
Alam mo, love, this is really me. This is me. This is me, this is you. Charot. Ibig ko sabihin, ito yung gusto ko when traveling, yung night stroll. Ang ganda! Oh my gosh! Yeah. Yeah.